Welcome to our weekly roundup. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, everyone, and we're doing our weekly roundup of how well we've got on this weekend down at the allotment. So we have been so busy, absolutely pushing ourselves to the limit and getting things ready and getting things growing. So our main thing this weekend was to start getting in the polytunnel, the raised beds ready. As you know, I've purchased some raised beds recently and I'm making this into a better growing space and getting absolutely loads of stuff growing in here. Now, the sort of things that I've sown in my raised beds are radish, lettuce, pak choy, beetroot, spring onions, absolutely loads of stuff, but you'll see it all in my polytunnel update video of what we've got sown. So yeah, I'm excited for this and I'm hoping that a lot of it will be ready before I start planting my tomatoes in here in end of May, when the plants will be ready to plant in the raised beds. That's the plan anyway, and then hopefully I'll rotate it and we'll put some cauliflowers in here and cabbages and broccoli and try some brassicas growing in here as well, because obviously then it's a bit more safer away from the butterflies and getting pests on them. So we'll try that this year in the polytunnel, growing some brassicas in here, and obviously it'll be great, fantastic weather for it. We've also planted some more sweet peas in here, as we've already got one batch growing. They're growing absolutely fantastic in the Oakland root trainers. We've also planted some peas, some early peas. Now I start my peas off in trays first, and then I move them outside when they're big enough, because I have a lot of issues with rats and mice and squirrels, and they'll pinch all the seeds, and there's not much around for them to eat at the moment, so they'll find them and they'll eat them. So that's one thing that I do need to do to protect them. I've also obviously been looking at my strawberries, what I'm growing in my hanging baskets. Again, I got those from Oakland, and I've started taking the flowers off. You might wonder why I'm taking the flowers off. Is because they're only baby plants, and basically if I take the flowers off for the next couple of weeks, then it'll concentrate on growing the root ball better and the plant better, and apparently it grows more strawberries on it if you do that, if you take the flowers off in the first couple of months. I don't know if that's true or not. Fingers crossed it is, because I do want the strawberries on them. Hopefully it doesn't stop the strawberries from growing on them. So we're going to try that and see how well they get on, and see if they produce more strawberries doing them that way. So yeah, it's been an awfully long, busy weekend. We've also planted loads of seeds in my shed, flower seeds and different vegetables, and getting all the seeds sown in there as well. So it's going to be a busy year this year down at the plot, a very hectic year. I think I need to do this full time. I wish I could, but unfortunately I can't. So we're only spending the weekends down here getting it all done. But we're making the most of it. I'm making the most of the light nights and the early starts in the morning as well. So lots to be done. I'll be posting lots of videos for you to watch this week, as I won't be at the allotment, obviously I'll be working, but we'll post lots of videos for you to watch this week. Until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.